It is so peaceful out here right now by the pond. All the ice that's on here. That sun feels so good. Wow. It is so glorious right now. There's a layer of ice here. Wow. And I'm actually testing out these Microspikes that I bought, and that's working out pretty good actually. My foot is not slipping. You can hear the scrape. All right, I'm not going to go too far out, but I just wanted to test that out, and that's pretty good, folks. I'll share more with you about these Microspikes after, but oh my gosh, it is so perfect out here right now. So I'm going to go get set up with the tarp, cook up some food, and just relax just for another day before I go to work. All right, folks, just enjoy this for now. My goodness, another year has gone by. But you know what, folks? It's another year to push forward and reach new goals and dreams of yours. And for me too. I started doing some things personally that will help me with my own personal growth and development. And I'm excited about that, folks. It's something that when you take time to collect your thoughts and write them down, journal them, it's something that you can look back on in the future from the past to see where you were and to see where you've come from and to where you are at that point later on in the future. I know it's something that if you're considering doing, go ahead and do it. Take the time to create a journal for your life. I've mentioned before that I'm in the process of telling my story, and I want to write this in a book. And I started it. And it's something that the journey that I've been on to get to this point in all my life, I've seen so much, I've done so much. Maybe not as much as some people, but to me, there are significant milestones within my life and the things that I've accomplished, and yet the things that I want to accomplish in the future. So it's good to be able to write those thoughts down and to see where you are and where you're going. It's like a few years ago, I was out in the woods and I took a slip and fall, and I've mentioned this before. And that slip and fall cost me some time, a lot of time. And that's the reason why I wanted to finally purchase these Microspikes, because I want to get out here under different conditions, but still be safe. And today was a perfect time to do that. A lot of the snow and the ice that we had fallen has melted away. So it made this pathway a little bit easier to navigate. It was patches of hard snow, compacted snow, but it's loosening up with the sun, so it wasn't too bad. And as you saw, when I got down to the pond, I was able to scrape that ice. Obviously, I was very careful what I was doing. I didn't want to take any chances, but I wanted to see, the durability. And let me show you these Microspikes. This very anyways, yeah, they're aggressive, and it's something that I know is going to help me keep my footing more secure when I walk. And then I started thinking, don't we have something like this we could use for the summertime? Because how many times you go out hiking during the summertime and there's conditions where it's been raining and the ground is slippery? It's not just the wintertime, So I don't know. Is there something that you can have on your feet that can create that traction as well? If you know anything like that, just drop a comment below and let me know. I'm curious. This is how my mind works, folks. I just start thinking of these different things and they come to my mind and I just go off in a wild land. And I think that's why I love the woods so much, because it's that wild nature that we have within us to get out there and do things that others may not do. So anyways, I know I'm babbling, but it's good to be out here, folks. And Happy New Year 2026. So when you watch this, it will be the new year. And like I said, there's always things that you want to do, what you want to accomplish, and the goals you want to reach. So if you have anything that you want to share along those lines, drop a comment below. Just let me know. I'm curious if you have any goals in mind other than being all spiky. Oh my gosh. Yep, they're definitely spiky. All right, folks. I'm going to get myself set up to cook up some food and just relax and just enjoy being out here for the time being until it's time to go to work. All right, folks. I'll see you in a moment. Yep, you can see my breath a little bit, folks. Just a tiny bit. A minute ago, it was a good amount of breath that you could see. We have a feathered friend. He's flying overhead. It's going that way. I can't see him with the tarp over me, but I can hear the sound of where he's coming from, where he's going. We have the alcohol stove going, folks. You can see that steam that's popping up. Oh yeah, she's steaming. And I like the alcohol stove because it's so simple to use and it's quiet. It takes a little bit longer to heat up food, but when you're out here in the woods, it's all about the time and spending it relaxing. For today's meal, my usual, folks, my yellow rice. I just love buying this packet of rice, which is ready to make, ready to eat. Honestly, you can eat it even if it's not heated up. And then I have my sausage, some orange peppers, a little bit of cheese. And for seasoning, I have in here some salt, paprika, chipotle seasoning. Let's see, chili powder, cumin, and I believe I have do I have some Italian seasoning in here too? Yeah, some Italian seasoning too. So a good mix, good blend of spices, and a little bit goes a long way, folks. All right. Flames are going on this side. Don't want that on the handle. That should be good for our coffee. So we do have some instant coffee for today. The real question now is this. Is this coffee still good? I'm going to find out, folks. All right, I'll bring you guys back when I can open this thing up. All right, folks, I got it open with a little help from a friend. Now, do we want one or two? I think we'll go with just the one today. I do have the 2 packets, but we'll just go with the 1 packet. Oh, yeah. Now, let's not melt our shoes here. If I need to add more, I can add more coffee. All right. That's good. Now what we're going to do is we're going to get our ingredients mixed in here with that water, and we can add our rice. It is definitely, wow. Okay. Now we're just going to get these in there now, get them cooking. All right, these Ziploc bags are definitely not the best. Eesh, little hole, that's all right. They're a one-time use for today, so should be okay. That's why we have the aluminum foil, folks. Now you know, if you watch my episodes, how many times have you seen me drop food? Almost always. This is not going to take long to cook. Let me move this coffee. Onto this side here. We'll get a taste of that in just a moment. Whew, those flames are going now. All right, folks, so before I get too crazy here cooking my meal, let's go for that nice hot cup of coffee. As you can see, it is steaming, folks. So cheers. Cheers to a new year, 2026, and reaching our goals, ambitions, and passions, our dreams, all that good stuff. Cheers, everyone. Oh, that is just right, folks. Oh my gosh. I'm sure you heard that slurping. Oh my gosh, that is perfect. Okay. Now, let's get the rice in there. And now I'll come back afterwards when everything is ready to eat. I'm going to bore you with this process, but, you know, folks, not about being out here, you know. Hopefully this isn't too loud for you, folks. Just me rapping away. Okay. I think there's just enough water in there. Okay. So I'm going to take care of all my trash and stuff. Let this finish cooking. I'll bring you guys back in just a moment. Oh, wow. That looks absolutely delicious, folks. So I think it's time to dig in. Ooh, and it's just warm enough to keep my hands warm. It's not burning hot. That is perfect, folks. All right. Another simple, delicious meal, folks. Mm. Oh, wow. I added the spice to it, and I thought maybe I added too much because it all came out like all at once as I was pouring it. But I think it's just the right amount. Mm-hmm. Yeah, actually there is. There's not so much in here that makes it overpowering, but just as enough flavor. And there's enough water in here that is keeping it nice and tender, so the rice isn't sticky or anything like that. Mm. All right, folks, I'm going to finish enjoying this meal. And as always, I hope you've enjoyed coming out with me for a little bit of time in the woods, those beautiful views, and then just talking about things that we want to do for this upcoming year. For example, journaling and the microspikes, the safety for right now during this colder season. If you have any thoughts along those lines, again, drop them below, comment. I love to read your comments and to respond to them. And I'm always looking for feedback from you folks. If you have any suggestions or ideas of things that you would like to see me do in the upcoming year, drop them below. You never know, I might just do it. I definitely want to talk more about tarps, bushcraft, and all that kind of stuff. I know I'll get to it, I promise. Birding. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Just flying right down that way. Oh my gosh, folks. It is just so perfect right now. All right. I definitely need to finish this meal, keep my hands nice and warm. As always, folks, thanks for joining with me today on this adventure. And get out there, explore your world, enjoy every moment of life. I'll catch up with you very soon, folks. God bless. Take care. Let's enjoy.